Hello everybody, and today we're going to be going through our systems in our Tesco Express. So currently this is the Tesco so far. We're going to have some shelves here and we're going to have to expand it. Sneak peek on the new update coming. We've got a decoration cafe. Might be somewhere in the near future. We've got a Shorleywood retail park. North entrance and south entrance over there, with a big car park. Aldi's been moved, and now McDonald's has been moved, and then we've got a Primark coming in the retail park. We've got Primark, Aldi, Greggs, McDonald's, and Tesco. We're gonna be showing you on the Tesco. Don't mind that we've just been building the Tesco and needed some light, so we removed the roof. So we're gonna be going through the Tesco machines. As you're walking in, you'll be greeted with our manual checkout for staff usage, for which staff can only operate, but we will be going through these as well. And then over here we have the self-checkout. These are closed on server startup, and also we've got the self-serve till out of order. So for this, if one of these machines don't work, member of SHR will come. So for example, if you are a low staff, for example just a general staff working, then you will call a member of SHR some way. We will be having a whole team chat as well, so there'll be a team chat for various teams. You can see we've got this lane closed sign on all the things, all the machines on startup. This will be a little like self-checkout training, basically. Basically all you do is click store log on, but you'll need to get the tool first. So you'll open the tools panel, get the JSM operator barcode, scan it. Only scan it once, don't scan it twice. And then the customer can start scanning just like so, and then they can pay. Okay, so also with this, if there's a completely black card reader, it means it's broken. So basically, to fix that, well, you can't really fix it. A server restart can only fix it. For example, let me just. So, for example, if I do cereal box pay, you can't pay, basically. So if the card reader screen is black, you can't pay, and it will be stuck on the screen, but without that, and you will not be able to pay for anything. So there's no fix, I don't think, until JSM releases the new self-checkout version 3 update. There's no fix. So to do that, you just call, you just do this SHR mods. I think mods and above should get a pop-up, and then they can teleport, and then you'll say the reason, and then we will do this. And basically this just reboots the system, and then it will go back onto the main screen. Sometimes this doesn't work. For example, oh wait, no, it must always work now. So that's just how you reboot the system, I guess, using Beatles. But basically, you will just close the lane when this is booted up, and member of SHR we'll get beetles. And just grab this and just pop it on there so no one can actually use the till. If I can get this in perfect position. So basically that's all it is. SHR will do the rest, and then this sign just gets put on so people know that it's out of order. If the self-serve till fully breaks, SHR will close all the lanes. Close all the lanes and just resize one of these signs and then just like put them right there, like so. Wrong button. Don't know where that's gone. Maybe they won't. Yeah, they won't. That is not supposed to happen. Anyway, okay, so I don't know what's happened here, but we will just like ignore that. Okay, so now, oh, forgot about voiding. We just need to wait for one of these tills to boot up. Right, we'll just quickly go through the gate barriers. I'll go here because the gate's broken over there. That thing's like collapsed. So basically, to sign on and off, you will be given a code. I cannot disclose the code here on this video. Why isn't it letting me in? There we go. So you can't invisible yourself. I'm just doing this for training purposes so you can see. So basically, you will sign on, put in your sign on details. Your password, the password won't be 1 and 1 2 3 4. So this is the same system as Costa. It works the same, but you have to do extra steps. So you sign on, and then you click. Then you click that button. That brings out the light, and then you open the gate, like so. Okay, and then to sign, and then people, you'll have a nice greeting like, hello, my name is Had. Please scan your items in front of me. So that's how people use them. They scan their items. You will copy and paste it. They will scan. For example, if I'm a customer, I will come up and I will just like do that, and they will scan it. There's no limit on items here. If there is, they will be mentioned, but there's no 5 items of one product on the manual checkout. Sorry, I have to remove this, it's bugging me. There's no limit on the manual checkout, which is this. These are always called manual checkout. These are called SCO, short for self-checkout. So, and then really quickly go through it. To check out, you click subtotal, general EFT, the customer will pay, card only on these. We don't accept cash on any of them until the version 3 update of SCO comes out. If you require assistance at any time on the till, click the third button along, and then this, and it'll shine and keep beeping, not beeping, but it'll keep flashing. If a member of staff sees this, they will come over, and a manager, if sees this, they will come over and do that. To sign off, make sure that is not beeping, not flashing anymore, because if it is, for example, if it's flashing now, if I turn that off and turn back on, it'll keep flashing. So turn the flash off. You make sure you close the gate first, and then and then turn the light off. The reason you have to close the gate first is because when the light is not on, it beeps, and it keeps beeping. And even if you close it, it keeps beeping. There's no way to fix this. It is not a bug. You just have to turn that on and off. Like that. You just have to turn it on, but it will, if the gate's like that, it will beep until this is on. So you have to close that, and then it will stop beeping when that is off. Also, the machine does starts beeping when the drawer isn't closed. So, according to last time. So we'll move on to self-checkout until this starts beep, and then we'll come back to this when it beeps. So to unlock a till, I've already been through it. You click operator barcode. You scan it. If you accidentally go onto the store authorization, you just need to click return to shopping mode. To void a transaction, because they've got too many products, for example, 5 items of one product. You're not allowed to buy more than 5 items of one product. A member of staff will void your transaction if this happens. So basically, if you see a customer, with like 6 cereals, you have to void the transaction. You do this by grabbing your operator barcode, you scan it, and then you click assist mode, edit basket in top right, cancel all, and yes. Okay, and then if you want to do it a bit of a longer way, I don't know why you would, but just let this load. To void you can void a transaction at any time if there's a transaction. If there's a thing going on, you can void it at 1. It doesn't really matter. You can click assistance, bottom left hand corner, colleague ID, scan the barcode. Wrong button. Assist mode, edit basket, cancel all, yes. These are just there for decoration. They're not actually a part of the system yet, but it is in self-checkout version 3, which is coming soon. Surprisingly, that's not beeping yet, but we'll go to that a bit in a sec. To close a lane, scan your barcode, click the top left-hand corner button. So that's, or you can do it the longer way by doing it like that. Close lane, and this basically closes the lane. We will get the so this screen, this will just show all the lane status. So it will say if the lane's closed, what items has been what item has been what do you call it again? What items have been scanned, if they've asked for help or not. So yeah, and also you can sign on, but it doesn't do anything even if you signed on. There's just a few screens that don't work yet. So currently I'm signed on, and it says the operator ID, and you can go into assist mode on the till, but obviously there's no till. You can go into utility, but obviously there's no tills on, so that won't work. I don't think there's anything else. Oh, and yes, coming soon, I will add, down here, I will add a bell feature. So if I just power that on and click bell and call, I will make a bell sound come on to ask for staff, and then it will just be like, so require help on your till, you'll just click call, and then bell, and then a bell will sound. You can't void a transaction on this. It just shows, it's mainly just about like things like this, like no sale. You can open the door with this using any type. It just opens the drawer. Manual wait doesn't work. Department sales doesn't work. Till secure doesn't work. Support functions doesn't work. Refund options doesn't work. Till functions, that just brings you to that. Reprint doesn't work because there's no actual thing. There's no receipt printer. Quantity doesn't work. Price inquiry doesn't work. Suspend retrieve doesn't work. Item search doesn't work. Clear does. Delete does. I don't think you can delete a product though, according to my knowledge. Okay, I think that draw's broken. Just stand on here real quick. Okay. Deleting items isn't a thing. Like it doesn't let you select items either. Oh wait, yeah it does. But you still can't delete it. Hopefully that will be a thing coming soon. Also, there's a little scale thing, and then basically, these have put scripted weights in. So, for example, in the script, we've put a weight in there. This is 0.035 kilograms. So, and also in a future update, possibly the weight of the item will appear here, for a tiny second. Anyway, that is basically the entire Tesco functionality. There's nothing really much to it. That we did have a bit more decoration to do in the back, but it's so far so good. Also, these are empty. If you ever would like to know, Primark. We don't know if it's going to become a full store yet, or not. If we're just going to keep it. If we're just going to keep it for decoration. Also, if you really want to see the bottom of the map, here it is. We've just got loads of stuff scattered everywhere. We've got some doors down there that don't work. Hello, darkness, my old friend. More doors. More doors. More doors. Oh, oops. And speed camera sign. Yeah, we got and a window. And a price tag. It's fancy. Okay, so basically that is everything. Thank you for watching. This is a lot longer than I thought, but thank you for watching. This has been me from Hadley, the owner of Shorleywood Community, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye, everybody.